Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of rare coins, and our target is one that might just be hiding in your house right now, the 1971 2p UK coin. Could this ordinary-looking coin actually be worth a fortune? Why are collectors suddenly talking about it? And how can you tell if yours is a hidden treasure? We're going to find out, so stick with me till the end because you don't want to miss this one. Let's start with a little history. In 1971, the UK underwent decimalization, a complete overhaul of the currency system. This marked the birth of the decimal coinage, and with it the 2p coin was introduced. It featured Queen Elizabeth II's portrait by Arnold Mackin on one side, and a beautiful Prince of Wales feathers badge on the other, along with the motto, Ich die, meaning, I serve. At the time, over 100 million of these coins were minted, which means you might actually have one lying around. But here's the twist. Despite the high mintage, certain errors and conditions make some of these coins extremely valuable today. So, what turns a simple copper coin into a collector's jackpot? 3 things. Condition, grade. Coins in mint state condition, no scratches, wear, or marks, hold premium value. Rarity. Even in large batches, unique errors or rare variations get collectors excited. Historical importance. Being part of the UK's decimalization history makes it significant. Now, let's dive into the specifics of the 1971 2p coin. Several reported errors and variations make certain 1971 2p coins rare. Misstrikes. Coins stamped off-center. Double strikes. Design struck twice causing blurry or doubled images. Planchet errors, coin struck on a wrong-sized or wrong metal blink. Die cracks, visible cracks or lines due to damaged coin dies. Lettering misprints, faint, missing or incomplete lettering. Even slight irregularities in alignment, color, or shape can double or triple a coin's value. I'll show you how to spot these errors when we check my own collection shortly. Alright, let's talk about numbers. While a regular 1971 2p coin might be worth a couple of pence, some rare pieces have fetched hundreds and even thousands of pounds in auctions. For example, a 2p error coin with double strike recently sold for £650. Another with a planchet flaw fetched £1,100. And one incredibly rare example, with a known misprint, reached a shocking £2,200 at a UK auction. Remember, not every coin will hold this kind of value, but finding one like these could change your collection forever. Now, time for the hunt. Sounds of a coin box opening. I've got my old coins box right here. Let's see if there's a 1971 2p lurking somewhere. Coins clinking. Here's a 1980, 1992, here's a 1971. Now let's check for errors. Is the date clear and properly centered? Any visible double strikes on the Queen's portrait? Inspect the feathers badge for unusual lines or cracks. Look at the edge for any unusual thickness or flattening. This is where the thrill lies. You never know what you might discover. Excited tone. Sadly, this one looks normal, but that won't stop us. I'll keep checking the rest of my box as we go. While we search, did you know? The 1971 decimal coin series was the first time the UK introduced a 7-sided coin, the famous 50p. And the rarest coin of the entire decimalization set is the 1983 2p coin with new pence inscription, a piece once sold for £1,400. These little bits of history make coin collecting so addictive. If you've got an old jar, piggy bank, or drawer full of coins, here's how you can check your own. Misstrikes, double images, edge errors, unusual thickness, off-color metal. Use a magnifying glass or phone zoom for fine details. Visit online coin forums or check eBay UK's sold listings to compare. If you find something valuable, get it professionally appraised. List it on trusted auction sites like London Coins or Warwick and Warwick. Use coin selling platforms like eBay, but verify buyer's reputation. Join coin collector groups on Facebook or Reddit, great places to trade, learn, and sell. After digging through my collection, no rare error coin this time. But I won't stop searching. And neither should you. Who knows? That old 2 pence coin at the back of your drawer could be worth hundreds, maybe thousands of pounds.
Check it.
Inspect it. And if you find something interesting, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your discoveries. If you enjoyed this treasure hunt, hit that like button, subscribe for more rare coin discoveries, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll be back with more live hunts, rare finds, and valuable tips for all you collectors out there. Until next time, happy hunting!